Everyone, I'm Irene Ingaire. Now I'm going to discuss about importance of public speaking. So public speaking skills is very important because it helps the people to share idea clearly and confidentiality in different situations. In education, it helps the student to explain their to participate in class and to build confidence. In the workplace, public speaking is used in a meeting, presentation, and interview. Good public speaking skill help the people communicate well, appear professional, and grow in their careers. So, and also public speaking is also important in the society and the leadership, leaders and community members use public speaking to inform, motivate, and inspire others. And also it helps people to speak up about issues, to guide other, and and they create private change overall public speaking help us communicate better and to build confidence and succeed in the areas of learning. So, for example, when you are project manager, you need to know public speaking because they help you to to prepare, meet, and convince your teamwork. Um, so the public speaking is very important for everyday life. Thank you.